Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today's video is going to be like a small burst of my new in things that I've picked up over the last month, and I just thought I'd show you. I've got like a few fashiony products and then quite a few beauty products as well. So I just thought I'd show you what I've picked up, try and tell you where from and how much each item are if I know. And I'll try my best to link everything down below. So please check down there if you want to have a look at anything I've bought. So the first thing I kind of want to get out of the way is some clothing items. So I picked up a shirt from Miss Selfridge. So I've never bought anything from Miss Selfridge before that I remember. And one of my best friends is turning 21 next weekend and she's having like an all pink party. I scoured the city high and low for something pink that suited my skin colour, that was like appropriate for a party, because obviously we're going into November. We're in November now, but when I was looking at the end of October, so pink kind of really wasn't in the shops except in jumper forms. I didn't really want to wear a jumper. So I went into Miss Selfridge and on the sale rack I found this pink like satin shirt. So it's like this, it's got a little tie at the front. I'm just going to tuck the whole thing into trousers, but I really like that. It's got little button details, little collar, and little fabric buttons as well. I picked this up in, this is a UK 10, so it's a little bit baggier. It was originally £28, but I got it for, I think it was like £22.80 because there's 20% off. So really happy with this. Probably going to see loads of pictures. You're probably going to see loads of pictures on Instagram of this when I'm wearing it. But yeah, I thought it was really cute and just a kind of a cute way to have pink without going all out. And this darker pink suited my skin tone a lot better than most of the other pink. I popped into Lush to pick up some of these because I'd seen these on Pinterest. And I think that a friend of mine had them. I can't remember who had them, and I tried them at their house and I was like, these things taste so good. These are the Lush Boom Toothy Tabs. So it looks like this. They're like little tiny black powdery toothpaste capsules. You chew them and then wet your brush and brush your teeth with them. Do be warned, they do create tons of black foam. I had quite a lot of fun doing this the first time I used them. They taste like spicy cola and lime, which I don't think is everybody's cup of tea, but I really like the taste. I definitely found that they did make my teeth whiter. When I stopped using them and swapped back to toothpaste for a couple of days, I did notice like the shine kind of went. So definitely something you have to keep up on top of. The only thing I have to say about these is they don't have any fluoride in them, so probably not massively recommended by your dentist. But I guess it's up to you. If you feel like you've got healthy, strong teeth, why not pop these in a few days? Maybe if you've got like an event coming up, and then you can always go back to toothpaste if you feel like you need the extra protection. I picked up a new foundation. This is foundation I have had before. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place, and mine's in the shade 1W2 Sand. So I did get matched by the lady in Boots when I did this, and I wasn't wearing fake tan, so this is kind of like my winter shade. I haven't worn it yet because I want to use it for special occasions. This is what it looks like. You've just got the frosted glass bottle, the gold lid. I have used this before in a different shade. Can't remember what shade it was, but it was much more orangey than this, so wasn't right. I kind of just picked it online. I really like Estee Lauder. These are the ones that I found that I can do like a 10-hour day, then get in a hot tub, then have a nap, and my foundation's still on. Not that I recommend doing all of that with foundation on, but I thought I'd pick this up for like events, like long days where I want to try and look nice all day, because I have found a lot of cheaper foundations at the moment kind of separating on my face, so I just thought I'd try and fight it with something else. This was like in £32 or £30, I think. The Toothy Tabs were £6.50. So I'm trying to remember the prices of everything. I think these are around the 30, but I'll link everything down below anyway. I picked up a new powder. This is the Rimmel Instant Fix and Matte Translucent Powder. Looks like this. It is a white powder and it's covered in hashtags, which I thought was pretty cute. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And it does come out like white on the finger, but obviously when you buff it in it goes clear. Just thought I would try a new powder because I like to try and mix them up all the time. I also picked up a primer. This is the I Love Revolution Strawberry Whip pore blurring primer with vitamin C and E. So I've not tried any Revolution primers before. I thought the packaging was really cute. They had like a whole foodie kind of inspired section. The primer itself is kind of like a browny green colour. But I have tried it on the back of my hand. It is very like, it's one of those very silky gel ones. Oh, it smells like strawberries as well, I've just realised. I've got a new eyebrow pencil. This is the Collection's Incredibrow Brow Definer, and I've got mine dark brunette. Just looks like this. So it's just a twist top. I kind of like the ones that are in these packaging rather than the ones you have to sharpen, because I find the ones you have to sharpen or break the filling. What's it called? Break the lead, I guess. It snaps off, I waste crayon, so I find the ones that you twist up, although maybe not as good for the environment because they're in plastic packaging, they are easier and you get more bang for your buck, basically. The last of the random beauty products, I picked up a new conditioner. This is just the Superdrug Avocado and Manuka Honey Conditioner for the nourishing and smooth hair. It's for normal, dry and damaged hair. I just picked this up because, one, it was relatively like cheap and affordable, and also it smelled really, really good. You can smell the avocado in it and the honey, and it is green in colour, which I don't know, it's pretty cool, I guess. But this was only a couple of quid, and to be honest, I find these work just as good as like the really expensive conditioners. I just like to mix up my shampoo and conditioner, so I try and use a different brand or type every time because I'm still searching for like perfect shampoo and conditioner. I've finished using my banana one that I had from Body Shop, which I really liked, and I'm trying to think of what I'm on now. I can't think of what shampoo and conditioner I'm using right now, but I'm sure that will come up in a favourites video if I'm liking it. So yeah, just picked this up just for something different. So back onto fashion. I'm sorry this is kind of split, but I've split it kind of between, they were all the things that I bought in like my city, and then I went to visit my cousin who lives near Southampton, so this is like the shopping haul from this city. But I went into Primark with her and picked up this top. It's just like a chiffon, I hope you can see this, ruffle top. Buttons, it's got little like nipped in sleeves. It's quite a low v-neck, and obviously it's quite sheer because it's that creamy chiffon, but I have purchased a vest to go under it. So I got mine in a size 10. Again, I like a little bit of an oversize to tuck into like black high-waisted jeans, and this was £12, so I just thought that would be really, really cute for autumn, and I actually just bought it because I'm going out to dinner soon. So yeah, hopefully that'll look really cute on. So just to go under that, I just picked up a white vest top, which is just one of Primark's stretchy vest tops, and they are £1.80, so you can't really go wrong. I wish I could find a cream one, but they didn't have any cream ones, which was a bit of a pain in the bum. And kind of also to go with that outfit, but because I also needed some more anyway on that trip, I picked up some Topshop Joni jeans, just classic ones in the black, no rips, just skinny legs. I'm sure everybody knows what these looks like. Pocket on the back. Yeah, I picked these up because these are my all-time favourite jeans. I've tried to replace them with Primark jeans, Matalan jeans, Asda jeans, and I just keep going back to Topshop jeans. These are like, I think these are £36, but to be honest I don't buy them up often. The black ones, I re-dye them if they fade, and I only re-buy them when they rip. So I find that they rip like kind of in the inside thigh after like a couple years worth of use, so just buy another one. But I bought these shoes for the pink birthday party. These are from Primark. These are just like pink brogue shoes, so as you can see, not really a heel, pointed toe with like a snakeskin pattern, like leather section and little tassels. I just thought these were really cute. They're really nice pale pink. Be really nice with that outfit. They'll be really nice with my pink shirt. And I don't think these were £6, so can't really go wrong from Primark. They are really comfy as well. And yeah, I would probably just wear them for when I'm trying to like kind of dress up, but I don't want to wear heels. Again, for that pink party, I picked up some nails. These are the Primark's Precious Jewel nails in blushing, and these were £2. So you can see, you just get like some pink nails and some like rose gold style nails with little diamonds on them, and these will just do for a party. I really like Primark nails because you pop them on, super easy. They last like 4 or 5 days and then you can just pop them off again, rather than get my nails done or trying to hand paint them myself. It's just a lot easier. And I also just picked up a couple packs of cleansing wipes. So this is the Primark It's Oil Good ones for oil cleansing skin. You get 25 wipes per pack and you get 2 for £1. So again, I use these for like wiping down my hands, wiping my makeup brushes, wiping my makeup items, wiping just kind of anywhere that I apply my makeup. But I do use like a proper cleanser to take my makeup off. So don't worry, these are not going on my face. And the final 2 things I bought were a pair of earrings, which I have in now. So I bought a pair of studs and a pair of hoops because my old studs and hoops were that old. I think the hoops have been in for like over a year. So just thought I'd change them up. This is what they look like. So you've got the studs here and a pair of hoops. These were like in a little tiny independent shop in Southampton. So it was 2 for £10. So yeah, I just think they look super cute. And that was kind of everything I picked up this month. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you liked it, then subscribe to my channel because I put up new videos every Sunday. And I will see you next week with a new video.